I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with quick prep. Remove liners and shake out loose dirt, then lay boots on a towel. Use the kit cleaner diluted per label. You test a hidden patch first to avoid color loss. Once confirmed, spray or apply a small amount to the sponge and work in gentle circular motions. This lifts grime without overwetting. Make sure to avoid the sole edge. Use the small brush only for stubborn spots, because rough scrubbing can mat the nap. Now you tackle deeper cleaning zone by zone, toe, vamp, heel, so the material dries evenly. Rinse the sponge often and blot. Never soak the sheepskin because excess moisture damages the leather backing. Once each section is evenly damp and cleaner is removed, stuff boots with paper to keep shape and let them air dry away from direct heat. When they are about 60% dry, gently brush the nap with the included brush to lift fibers. This restores texture and prevents flat, matted areas. Finish by air drying boots at room temperature. Do not use heaters or tumble dryers because heat stiffens leather. Once dry, you reshape with paper, brush thoroughly, and apply the protector spray evenly, only when the sheepskin is completely dry to reduce future stains. Make sure to treat both boots to keep color consistent. Troubleshooting tip. If a stain persists after drying, repeat a spot test and targeted clean if fibers are matted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.